In today's video, I'm going to show you how to maximize and structure your short-term rental property to make the most money possible. Hello, my name is George Salas and I help real estate investors, landlords, and Airbnb hosts increase cash flow and grow their portfolios through diversified investment strategies and short-term rentals without having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars. So today I'm going to talk and I'm going to teach you how I structure this beautiful property that I'm sitting in right now. It is our latest short-term rental property and it's going on Airbnb today, August 2nd of 2020. So the first thing we did is we are always on the lookout for properties that have more than one structure. Okay, so my good friend Jennifer, who helped stage this beautiful place and is also in our acquisitions team, found the weird property. And what I mean by weird is actually an extra structure or a weird entrances or weird divisions, like layouts that are a little bit weird, just like older houses. So this is a 1950 house in Longdale that we're sitting in right now, and it's in a pretty nice neighborhood, right? And when you walk into the house, it literally has walls in between, and it has a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment attached to the main house. And the main house is actually a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, right? And the walls that are in between, they're weird, actually make a perfect division into two short-term rental properties. So we can divide half of this property into one short-term rental listing for Airbnb or HomeAway or Booking.com, and then you can use the other half for another listing. So if we wanted to, we could make this into two listings, and I'm going to tell you what we're doing to maximize and structure this, right? Then the second thing is that one in the back is attached to the main house. So what we did is we simply created and did a little search, and then the search is what you're going to see above. So when you're searching in your AirDNA account, what you need to do is make sure you go through every room, number of rooms, number of beds, and number of bedrooms, right? So go through that and then go from like 3, 4, 5, and then do the same thing with the bathrooms, and then upload or update your the number that AirDNA is going to spit you in the rentalizer tool that you're seeing right here. So when you're doing that, what you're going to do is you're simply going to find the sweetest spot, meaning that one spot, it could be, instead of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, it could simply be 4-bedroom, 2-bath, right? If you have a property with a dining, a formal dining or a formal living, you simply convert that in your head into a possible 4th or 5th bedroom, which helps you maximize that short-term rental. And then while utilizing this tool, the tool allows you to see what the gross annual revenue would be for a property like this. So for example, as you see above, this property's 1 year gross as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath is around $40,000, okay? And as you see above, again, when you change simply the number of bathrooms and the number of bedrooms to 5, now it has a projected short-term rental gross revenue of $113,000, which comes with the demand, right? That means simply that in this neighborhood or in this area, in this region, there is a lot more demand done for a 5-bedroom, 3-bath than a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So guests are paying way more for these bigger properties, right? And right now it's the perfect time to get into homes in our market. And the reason for that is because people want privacy, they want a little more flexibility, and they want to be secluded from your typical apartment. So doing homes is a better strategy right now than doing apartments or anything within the city. Anything suburban is what you need to get into, okay? So as you saw, the difference between a 4-bedroom and a 5-bedroom, and 4.2 and a 5.3 is humongous. So what we opted to do in this particular listing is we simply created 2 listings, right, within that house. The house with the one attached in the back, 1-1. We have a listing as a 4.2, and now we have a listing as a 5.3. Both of them are linked, and then we also market the 1-bedroom, 1-bath by itself. So within the vicinity of the house. Right now, for the garage apartment that's in the back that I didn't mention, this property also has a garage apartment, which is three actual rental properties in one. So that's how you maximize the revenue that you can bring in for your short-term rental, right? So altogether, the revenue, projected revenue for this entire property that we purchased for $175,000 and put in $60,000 on the rehab is going to be over $130,000, $135,000 a year. And if things work out, this one project will bring in over 10 grand a month. So that's how you structure and you maximize your actual listing, and you maximize the revenue within that listing. Okay, so if you like these tips, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click that subscribe button. All right, we help landlords, real estate investors, and Airbnb hosts increase their cash flow and grow their portfolio through diversified investment strategies and short-term rentals without them having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars.